Welcome this video. Title: Elevate your smart bathroom with accent warm decor. Scare feeds of style and inspire. Introducing smart bathroom can often be overlooked when it comes to interior design and decor decoration. However, a well thought accent wall can transforming a compact bathroom from a functional space into a style and invent oasis. We explored the create possibility of smart bathroom accent warm decor, providing you with of inspire to make the most of limited square feet. Chapter 1: The power of accent wall. Define accent wall. Accent wall are a popular interior design technology used to draw attention to a specific area within a room. In a smart bathroom, an accent warm can serve as a focal point that add visual interest, depart, and personalize to the space. Benefit of an access warm and smart bathroom. The benefit of incorporated and access warm are numbering. Visual appear and accent warm instead make a space more various interior talk the bathroom from ordinary and extraordinary personalization and accent warm can reference your personalized style and add chaptering to a smart bathroom which make with rest foot plan and chart. Chapter 2. Choosing the perfect well. Select the accent form. The choose of the perfect form of your smart bathroom accent design depend on survey perfect. Consider there's other the wall opposite the entrance. This wall will be the first thing you will see. Then you enter the bathroom, make it an idea locations of an earth. Consider the size. Keep in mid the size of your bathroom. Can choose the action warm in a very smart bathroom. It's made be best to limit the action warm to a signature feature whilst in large smart bathroom you can consider arson more than a warm. Chapter 3. Color and paints. Colors. The choice of color of your arson warm is lactic. Consider the follow color to art the desired more. Soft